AI is rapidly changing the way people work and make money. In 2025, AI-driven income streams are more accessible than ever, even for beginners. In this video, I'll show you proven ways to make money with AI, from freelancing and automation to AI-driven business models. Stick around until the end for a free AI tool that can help you get started today. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are booming with AI-related gigs. Offer services like AI-generated content, voiceovers, or video editing using AI tools. Many freelancers are making thousands per month using AI automation. Another way is by creating and selling AI-generated content. You can self-publish AI-written books on Amazon, sell AI-generated artwork and logos on Etsy, or even automate YouTube faceless content channels using AI video tools. E-commerce is also benefiting from AI. You can use AI to generate t-shirt designs and sell them on Printify or Teespring, automate product research for dropshipping, or even use AI chatbots to enhance customer service and sales. If you prefer passive income, AI-powered affiliate marketing is a great option. AI-generated blog content can rank higher on Google, and AI-driven SEO tools can drive traffic to affiliate products like Jasper AI, VEED, and Copied AI, earning you high-ticket commissions. For those interested in finance, AI stock market and crypto trading tools use machine learning to predict trends. AI bots can automate trades, but always be aware of the risks involved. AI is creating endless opportunities to earn money in 2025. Pick one strategy, start today, and let AI work for you. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, and check out the next video. Top 10 AI tools that will save you hours.